Hi, I'm James Molesworth, Senior Editor at Wine Spectator. We produced this video before the COVID crisis. At the time, we were thinking about celebrating a summer holiday with friends, wine, and food. But times have changed a lot in the last few months, and we all face a different situation now. We decided to run it anyway, though, because in addition to the theme of celebration, we also think it sends the message that we need to support our local butchers, our farmers markets, and our local wine retailers. So we hope you enjoy it. And this holiday weekend, we hope you get the chance to share good wine and food with your family and friends. Cheers, and stay healthy.
Wow, Brittany, great spread.
Thank you.
This is why I like local butchers. I know your stuff is all New York State and grass-fed. What else is special about this layout you got for me?
A very strong flavor profile. Since they're out there eating grass for most of their life, they're gonna, just like wine, you have your terroirs with wine, you're gonna have that with beef. Animals, they eat clover, different types of plants and grasses.
All right, so give me a couple of options here. I'm gonna do a dinner party. I got some friends coming over. I wanna do something special for them. We love beef and big red wine, so we're gonna do something just, super simple, but we want some really interesting stuff. Talk to me about the terroir. Do we have some different flavors here?
Certainly. Yeah. With ribeyes here, it's gonna be a really nice fattier cut.
Okay.
This is also going to be a dry aged ribeye. So on top of it already having a ton of flavor from it being a pasture raised animal, the aging process is going to add even more of a richer beefy flavor, even some nuttiness that you'll get from that.
Okay, what else we got?
We also have some really nice skirt steaks here.
Yeah.
The skirt steaks, from where they're coming in on the animal, they're gonna pick up on a lot of minerally flavors.
I like that in one, okay.
Yep, and we have also on the leaner side, we've got a tenderloin and a flank steak. Tenderloins are gonna be the most tender, but also have the least amount of flavor on the animal. That being said, they're still gonna have a very nice, mild, subtle beefiness to them.
Okay.
But they're not gonna have the minerally flavors or the richness of a ribeye. So you might want to...
like the purest, the cleanest.
Yeah, very, very clean flavor.
All right, well, we like that in wine too, purity. All right, so I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a little mix. We're gonna do one, and one, because that gives us a nice range. I like the terroir on the beef and goes with the wine, so it should be a good dinner party.
Châteauneuf-du-Pape from Châteauneuf-du-Pape, which is a 2016 vintage, super vintage for the Southern Rhone. So it's predominantly Grenache, sandy soils, very silky tannins, very elegant style, even though it has a lot of fruit. There's a freshness to it, even though it's got a lot of richness. And I love that combination. That's what Châteauneuf does best, big and elegant at the same time. That's why I throw the herbs in, the thyme, a little bit of those things, just to get the sense of garrigue in the meat, and that's what is typical in the Southern Rhone.
It's almost like the ranch steak is like with like, and then the ribeye is a contrast.
Yeah, I like that.
But I love how the wine isn't too tannic or too heavy. Like, it's really all about the juicy fruit.
It's fruit, but it's substantial. It's not just an easy breezy wine. Like, there's complexity and richness to it without it being heavy.